Hello, in this video you'll see how to use inner timer. Timer is basically used to fire some action or event after particular time interval. So if you like want to repeatedly do some task in few seconds, in interval of few seconds, then we can go for timer. So I'll create a new Xcode project, single view app, timer tutorial, next, and create. So in this tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll have a label whose text will keep changing as time increases at regular intervals, of course. So I'll quickly add the constraints so that the label is not displaced in any orientation or in any device for that matter. And I'll also, just customize it. I'll make it a bit bigger in size. I'm creating an outlet for this label so that I can update the text when I need. Text label. Okay, so jumping to the code, I'll create a variable called the value, and I'll be incrementing this value and I'll be assigning this value to the label string. Go ahead and create. So timer dot schedule timer, go with the first option. So for every 0.1 second I want the event to be triggered. So target will be self, and I'll create a method update my label. This will be my method, and it will take zero parameters and it won't return anything. However, in the function we'll be changing the text of the label. So I'll be incrementing the value by 0.1 for every 0.1 seconds, and I'll assign this value. Okay, so selector will be, I'll do hash selector, and my method user info, I don't want to pass anything, repeats true. So this is what it is, and also it is necessary that this function is exposed objective C because we are adding it as a selector. I'm cleaning it, trying to run. Okay, since I've not used this variable at all, it is okay that we use underscore. So I should have a label here whose value keeps incrementing every 0.1 second. It should be just 1, and I'll run again. So on load, the timer should start, and for every 0.1 second this method will be triggered, and inside this method I'm changing the value of the label. So here we see, and because it is double value, it is displaying the um, all content. So this is all. So might be we can, this is too fast. I can take for every 1 second I'll increase the value by 1. So it goes. So this is all how we do the timer thing. But still there are few things that we need to take care. and that is the memory management. So I don't want this to keep running just like that. And when the memory warning is received, I want to invalidate this timer. So what I'll be doing is var my timer timer and here self dot my timer, and on did receive memory warning I'll do self dot my timer dot invalidate. This is going to stop the timer. And I also need to do this might be when view did disappear. So I should, it is always necessary that we invalidate the timer. This keeps the code clean, and that is why I've added this. This is not mandatory though, but this is a very good practice. So this is all about NS timer or timer in Swift. Do subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you.